Well, welcome back to Driveway Shop. Sorry, updates have been a little slow lately. I've got a couple of projects going, but progress has been so slow that it's not worth updating anything. Anyway, this particular project I started the other day.
Da 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 da.
Okay, so I don't have the footage here that I thought I had, but up to this point I've cut the boards to length, and right here I am basically grooving out the portions of the shelf with the radial arm saw. It would probably be easier to do this with a dado, but I didn't feel like tearing it apart and stacking the blades for just a couple of simple cuts. So I just went back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until I got it to where I want, to this position here. I've got them taped together so they match up easily. And it works out quite well, as you'll see here in a bit. There it is, grooved out and ready to go. Now I pretty much just need to glue it and pin it. That's roughly how that joint is going to look. Of course, I got to take the tape off because that's the other side. And there it is. It's just a shelf for Funko Pops. Bull-nosed pieces here. The contoured ones here and on the top. Even the top can be used if needed. In fact, this is upside down. It's intended this way. Kind of a cantilever design. But it could go either way. Now my dilemma is, do I stain it? Golden oak. Kind of that color there. Or gift it unfinished and let her decide. Back in the driveway shop. It's a little chilly outside, but there's no snow. It's actually January 6th. It's taken me a little while to get back to this. Spent some time out of town. Anyway, it was determined the finish is going to be torching it. So, gonna do that. Slap some clear coat of some sort on it, let it dry, and we'll call it done after I put some hangers on it. I think my torch is out. Hello there. Pushing it seems to be the way to do it. Pushing the flame instead of pulling. Keeps the heat ahead of the work area instead of trailing. There it is. It's a little chilly out. This bottle is cold. I was freezing my hand, so I had to wear a glove. And now there's snow flurries in the air. Just a couple little slow flakes, but guess I spoke too soon. There it is. Look at all that wood grain. Should do the trick. I'm gonna clear coat it, hang it, and then I'll bring you back. There it is. Finished. Hung up. Now we just got to put some Funko Pops on it. And there we have it. All completed, filled out. One spot left for the Lego brick heads, but otherwise, there you go. So this has been another episode of Driveway Shop. Thanks for watching.